Be ready. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, Para, I welcome you to this 99th annual general meeting of your company. The director's report and the audited accounts of the company have been with you for some time, and with your permission, I will take them as read. Para. The year under review has been a difficult one. It was expected that the economic, fiscal, and industrial policies of the government implemented in the last 2 years would accelerate the growth of the Indian economy. However, the drought, the like of which has not been seen in the last 100 years, has seriously affected every facet of the country's economy. It is fortunate that the foresight shown by the government in carrying substantial stocks of the food grains as buffer prevented large scale starvation. Normally, in diversified company like yours, the multi-product portfolio imparts a stability in the working results as ups and downs of different operations are balanced out. As a number of your company's operations are related to agriculture, the overall results have been poor this year because of the drought. The worst affected was the fertilizer division. Para, as a consequence of 3 successive weak monsoons, fertilizer consumption was below the expected level. Simultaneously, the government gave up the earlier practice of distributing imported fertilizers as a residual supply of balance the shortfall from domestic production. Para, it continued imports during the previous 2 years without taking into account the shortfall in consumption. This resulted in a huge build-up of inventories in the fertilizer industry. Manufacturers were therefore forced to give substantial discounts to overcome their problems of liquidity, thus adversely affecting their profitability. Introduction of price discipline at the intervention of the government and curtailing of imports have improved the situation, and a fair amount of stability has been restored. Para, it was hoped that the new textile policy of the government would provide some relief and facilitate the growth of the textile industry, but this expectation has been believed. The economic viability of the textile industry in the country, particularly the composite mills, continues to be poor. In the current year, there is a sharp upsurge in cotton prices, which is adding to the problem. The government continues to adopt policies that favor the synthetic fiber industry, which has further affected cotton textiles. Unless the government rectifies the situation in a more meaningful manner and provides encouragement and support to the cotton industry,